So you want to know how this course is different and you want to know what happens in this course? Let me take you to see a little bit of a preview of what you're going to find in this course. We see a lot of videos on YouTube and we see a lot of free content, yes, but they don't tell you everything. This course tells you every single thing in detail and tells you all the secrets and the myths and everything else. If you're doing makeup for 2 hours or 1 hour or you're just going for dinner, let's be honest, you can do without a primer. And then she wants the makeup to last the whole day. So the primer actually gives you the longevity of your makeup. There are 3 things that are always going to make your makeup come perfectly well. One is going to be the product, one is your tool, and one is going to be your technique. So in skincare, basically just remember the rule of 4. A good toner, then you need a good serum, then you need a good moisturizer, and in the end, of course, you either need your sunblock. How do we get rid of these dark circles? How to set this under eye so it doesn't move? I hope that you guys can see the difference. I mean, I'm shocked. Now that you've seen the preview, you know how step by step I'm going to teach you everything on how to get rid of these dark circles. So what are you waiting for? Go and purchase this course on 50% off for the month of February and thank me later.